Hey guys, welcome to the video series about the code for the cade. Cade is a computer input device with different modules, and it runs on Banana Pi Leaf S3, which has ASP32S3 chip on it. And the code is written on platform IO. And in this video, we're going to have a look at the layer control module. We have here the layer control CPP file and layer control header file. And the task of this module is to control this variable, active layer. For example, if we go to Links app, if I want to switch to sub layout or minor layout, it goes through this module. For example, let's open a text. So right now, if I'm going to press the index finger 1, it's an O, and if I'm going to hold the layer switch, it's going to be a 1. So in this case, the active layer is 0, and in this case, the active layer is 1. Now let's go back to the code. And now let's have a look what's happening here inside the class. First we have the initialize function, then switch layer back. This is if we're going to hold the switch layer and release it. And receive layer switch. This is if we're going to trigger the switch from another device. And these are internal variables. Now let's have a look at the CPP file. In the initialize function, we're setting the active layer to 0 and telling the NeoPixel module which LED and which color should be turned on. Next we have the switch layer function, and it takes here one character. So it will be either this one or this one. So to switch between major or minor, or main or sub. And according to this character, we're going to set the active layer to 0, 1, 2, or 3. And then we are sending the layer to the second device, if it's available, and switching the LEDs. Next function we have is the switch layer back function. And this one is triggered when we release the key, and then it checks if we were holding it for a longer period or just pressing the key. So if you just press the key, it switches completely to the other layer, but if you're holding for a longer time, for 500 milliseconds, then it will switch back. And this is the last function, received layer switch. This one is triggered if the layer switch is sent from other device. That's it for the layer control module. Bye bye.